Hi students, this is Sister Mills. I wanted to make one last screencast as our semester with each other is over, just to tell you how much I admire each of you. This semester has been interesting as I've read your personal essays, and as I've read through, your speaking partner activities and all of that. I've been really amazed at your strength and your courage and your faith in the Lord Jesus Christ. And I just wanted to commend you for an awesome semester. I've been honored to be a part of your Pathways journey, and I hope that you will continue learning and growing and adapting, just as you have in this program. And I hope that you'll find use of your newly attained writing skills, whether it be with your family or with your job or with the church. I hope that you'll use those and strive to keep on learning. And I also wanted to share my testimony as I've seen each of you grow and share your testimonies, especially in your personal essays. I've seen so much strength in you, and so my testimony is of our faith. I know that as we faithfully follow the guidance of the Spirit and strive for Jesus Christ to be a part of our lives, that He will bless us, and especially when we are following the commandments and following promptings and it's hard, I know He blesses us even more. And I have a testimony of that through my own experiences. This is what I've come to learn about God. So I just wanted to conclude our course by talking to you a little bit about this quote. It's from David A. Bednar, and it's from one of our general conferences in the 2014, the October session. He said, "Absolute truth exists in a world that increasingly disdains and dismisses absolutes." Now, my challenge for you, continuing on in your own pathway, now that you're finished with Pathways, is to just keep seeking that truth and keep trying to inspire others by that truth. I've appreciated the time that we've spent in this class, and I hope that you'll keep in touch with me as you continue your journey, and as you have fun things happen in your life. Be sure to let me be a part of it, and let me know, whether it be through my phone or texting, calling, or emailing. I'd love to keep getting some updates on each of you. Thank you for being such a wonderful class. If you have any other questions or comments as we conclude this class, go ahead and email me at any time. Thank you.